What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, this is another one of the collection videos I've been doing recently. The last one was Southwest. Today, it'll be a Gemini Jets collection video of Frontier. It's also aeroclassics. It's like a mixture of both, like half and half. There are a few rare birds in here, like the A319. A few other ones. I would say I have a decent collection of Frontier planes. I have 8 in total, and they haven't released a bunch of Frontier planes, so I think this is pretty good. So if you do like all this aviation content, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, because it really helps support me, and also smash that like button because it also helps support me and support the channel. There will also be a giveaway in the future, so if you are excited for that, make sure you are subscribed so you can enter into the giveaway. Okay, starting off here, we have the Frontier Airbus A319. This is my most recent Frontier model. This is in the pellet, I forget what they call that. Whatever that is, that's what livery it's in. This is in the older livery. Frontier recently just retired their A319s, but I've decided to keep mine in the videos, in the Denver airport updates, because I just got this like a month ago. This is a very nice model, and if you can get your hands on it, I recommend it, because it is extremely rare. I got this off eBay for like $100. But yeah, this is Gemini Jets. The next one here, this is a Frontier A320. I'm going to try my best on the tails, but I don't exactly know all of them. I know this one is in the Griswold the Bear livery. Very nice tail, I like it. This is by Gemini Jets, and this is a plain Airbus A320. I flew this exact plane to San Diego a few years ago, I think 2 years ago. But back then it was, actually no, it was this livery. I don't personally like Frontier because of how small the tray tables are. I don't know, it's just a personal thing, I guess. I've heard a lot of complaints, but if it's cheap, I mean, then I guess it's worth it. The next one here, we have the Frontier Airbus A320 Neo. This is by Aeroclassics. This is the Bluebird livery. I don't know the name of it. I could probably find out if I zoomed in. It starts with a W, I can't see that, but this is by Aeroclassics. Very beautiful model. As I mentioned, I'm very happy with my Frontier collection. I think 8 planes is a nice, decent collection, to be honest, of Frontier, because they're extremely rare. I really like Aeroclassics molds, because Frontier, okay, so you see that Neo engine, right? Like, that's decently sized. But then you bring this one over here, and oh my god, it's like a freaking watermelon flying on that thing. Like, those engines are huge. I mean, those are like twice as big as they're supposed to be, but whatever. They tried their best. Not bashing Gemini Jets, they're a great company. Here we have a Frontier Airbus A320. This is in the pellet, I don't know most of these liveries. I know the next 4, but I don't know this one. This is also Aeroclassics. As you can see, hold on, let me get like a little pointer thing. As you can see, their engines are very, very nice. Like right there you can see. I personally like these because they're not too big. They're to scale. That's why I buy Aeroclassics. I will never buy a Max 8 from them. Like, the winglets are literally like this, like that. They go like straight out. It's so weird. I don't know. I don't like Boeing planes from them. But they do have a fantastic A320 and A321 mold. When the landing gear don't fall off, then they're pretty good. But here we have another plane. This is a Frontier Airbus A320 Neo. So I have one A319, one A320, 4 A320 Neos. They seem to, Frontier's been acquiring a lot of Frontier. Okay, so they've been acquiring a lot of Neos recently. I think they're slow because they just faded out their A319 fleet. So they are acquiring a lot of new planes because the Neos are obviously the newest plane. I happen to know this livery. This is Colorado, the Bighorn Sheep. Colorado gang, where you at? You know, Colorado's the best state. Anyway, so yeah, this is Aeroclassics. The next one here, no, I'm kidding, I'd rather live in California because it's a lot hotter. It's actually 85 right now in Denver, so kind of hot, but whatever. Here we have a Frontier Airbus A320 Neo. As you can see, the engines are scraping the bottom of the ground, so don't expect a smooth takeoff or landing. As soon as you hit the pavement, it's gonna sound like a, oh my god. I like to call this thing the flying watermelon because it looks like there's two watermelons attached to the wing. And it's so high up. Like, they had to make the mold, like, higher up, just like it fit the watermelons on there. Anyway, this is the, oh my god, oh, Champ the Bronco. That's the tail. As you see, it's a very beautiful tail. Gemini Jets does a very good job. Oh my god, my camera's actually focusing today. Oh, I guess it's time for new things here. Anyway, as you can see, this is a very beautiful tail. They do a very good job on the decals, or not decals, printing it on the back. That's by Gemini Jets. The next one is a Frontier Airbus A321. The engine seems to be falling off. Gonna have to fix that. But this is in the Otto the Owl livery. Otto the Owl? No, that does not sound right. Something Owl, as you can tell. This is by Aeroclassics. I'm not a fan of their A321 mold. It's okay, but the wings are like a little bird. They kind of... Alright then, thanks for going 100 miles down my street. But they're like little birds. They go like, they're like curved out. I don't know. It's not my favorite mold. But here we have a Frontier A321. This is also by Aeroclassics. This is Bob the Bobcat, I think. I don't know. They name these so weird. Like, if I worked for Frontier, I would be screwed. I don't know. I do have a friend that works for Frontier. Sky High, guys, go check him out. He works for Frontier. He's a flight attendant. But anyway, so yeah, this is my whole collection. There's 8 planes in total. As you can see, so this one's Gemini Jets, Aeroclassics, Gemini Jets, Aeroclassics. Gemini Jets doesn't really release Frontier planes anymore because they probably got a bunch of crap for those watermelon engines. But it's still a good company overall. I definitely would like NG models to release a few. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video and my fantastic comedy, make sure to smash that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell, because as I mentioned, there will be a giveaway in the future. And in order to be entered, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Also, it really supports me. Also, leave a like on this video and a comment on your thoughts on Frontier. Are they better than Spirit, or is Allegiant better? Your opinion. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video, which should be an airport update. Honolulu airport update will be coming soon. I know you guys are excited for that. It has been coming along nicely. I just have to finish the runway decals and I'm done. So yeah, get ready for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.